One night, Little Hedgehog saw the moon was not round. "Oh no, the moon is broken," he said. The next day, he found a shiny dewdrop. "This can be glue," he said. He picked a soft dandelion. "This can be a patch," he said. That night, he climbed a tall hill. He held out his paws. He stood on his tiptoes. But he couldn't touch the moon. Tired, he lay on the grass. He looked at the tiny moon. Stars twinkled close by. "It's so pretty," he whispered. Days passed. The moon grew round again. Little Hedgehog smiled. "It's not broken," he said. "It's dancing in the sky." What do you see in the night sky? Like and follow.